In today's video, I will walk you through how to read Gates price charts. Understanding price charts is an essential skill for anyone trading cryptocurrency because they help you analyze market trends and make more informed trading decisions. Let's get started. Once you're signed in, head over to the Markets section or search for the cryptocurrency you want to analyze, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported coin. Select a trading pair to open its trading page. Here, you'll find the price chart displayed above the order book and trading panel. By default, Gate uses a candlestick chart, which is one of the most popular chart types among traders. Each candlestick represents the price movement over a specific period of time. You can change this time frame by selecting options like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, or even 1 week. Shorter time frames are useful for day traders, while longer time frames help identify broader market trends. Each candlestick contains 4 important pieces of information: the opening price, the closing price, the highest price, and the lowest price during that time period. If a candle is green, it generally means the price closed higher than it opened, indicating buying pressure. If it's red, it means the price closed lower than it opened, suggesting selling pressure. You'll also notice the volume bars at the bottom of the chart. Trading volume shows how much of the cryptocurrency was bought and sold during each time period. Higher volume often indicates stronger market activity and can help confirm whether a price movement is significant. To get a better view of price action, you can zoom in or out on the chart and move across historical data. And that's how to read price charts on Gate.com.